Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've recently hit a milestone, and that is 2,000 subscribers, so yay! I promised in one of my nail art videos that at 2,000 I would do a big giveaway, and this is actually the second giveaway. The other one is nail art supplies, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below and up in the eye. If you want to enter that one. This one is specifically for crafting supplies, and just like in the nail art one, I do have enough. I do have supplies for two winners, so there'll be 2 winners for craft supplies and 2 winners for nail art supplies. Let's get the rules out of the way. Number 1, you have to be a subscriber, and you have to be public. Your subscription has to be public. I have to be able to check on that. Number 2 or 3, whatever you want to call it, you have to be 18 or older. Or you have to have permission from your parents that you can get something in the mail from me. And number 4, just write enter me if you want to be entered in the craft supply one, and just leave it in the comments below. Also, don't be a jerk. Don't unsubscribe if you don't win, okay? There'll be more giveaways in the future, and if you don't win and you unsubscribe, you will be completely ineligible to win in the future. I'm just not gonna do it. Just don't be a jerk. It's not cool. All right, so that's the rules. And now let's get on to what you can win. So I found these, and if I've got two for you. I made the Princess Bride and Professor Riversong Valentine's signs on these for my honey. He's not super excited about them, but I thought they were kind of cute. But I got 2 of those. You can write on them with chalk. You can also write on them with white paint, which is what I did, so that they would be permanent. But there's 2 of those. And then I've got my very, very favorite yarn for amigurumi. This is Caron Simply Soft, and I have it in black. And this nice gray, which is a good color for Daleks, which is a video that's coming up soon. There it is, Gray Heather. I have it in this nice cream color, and it's just called Off-White. And I have a white for you. And that one is just called White. So I have those. I also have a set of the crochet hooks I use, metal ones. They don't have handles, and I'm not going to put handles on them. You'll see in most of my videos that I use one that has a clay handle. I make that specifically for the way I hold things, how I hold my hook, and you may not like the way that handle would feel in your hand, so I'm sending you some that don't have the clay handles on it, so you can make your own. And then I have a bunch of clay so you can make handles. I have black and white. Red and a sweet potato, which is kind of an orange color. A yellow and a green, and these are all Sculpey 3, so yellow and emerald. And blue and purple. So blue and purple. So there's those. And then I have some glitters for you. I have this. These are, for the most part, super fine, except for there's 2 kind of hexy ones, and I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but they are hollow. These 2, and that one hollow. And then this white is iridescent. It's hard to tell on the camera, but there are those. Then I have this little pack. It's got iridescent stars, iridescent hearts, and more iridescent stars and hexies. And then this one, lots of hollow. There's some more stars, and then hexies. And then I have a full kit for my most popular video project, the waterless snow globe. The only thing I'm missing is the actual snow, and that's because it's, you know, July here and I can't find it. And it's prohibitively expensive online, so I haven't bought any. So you'll have to just use glitter probably. I have extra fine, and this is what I used in my video. I have sapphire and crystal diamond, and sapphire is just this gorgeous blue, and the crystal diamond is iridescent white. So I have those. I also have 4 different sizes of the ornaments that come apart in two pieces. And if you saw my Doctor Who waterless snow globe, you'll know that I use this one, this size here. This one's a bigger one, and then I've got a couple more sizes. This little one, and yes, I got them from Hobby Lobby. Sorry about the price tags on there. If I try to take them off, they'll actually break through the plastic. And then I got a couple of little trees, because I found them way back in like January, and I tucked them away. So I've got trees for that. And I also have, I'm including 2 different TARDIS necklaces. And because I don't have the little model that I used in mine that came off of a broken book lamp, I'm including these. You can use to set in there to make yours. And that's a good option for making the snow globe, or waterless snow globe ornament. And then, just because they're so cool, I have a set of Harry Potter Deathly Hallows symbol earrings for you, just because. And in case you don't want to make an ornament, I am going to go ahead and give you one of these Doctor Who TARDIS ornaments. So if you don't want to make the snow globe, you can use this instead. Well, or you can use them both. So that's it. It's a pretty sizable giveaway. Make sure you follow all the rules. They'll be listed in my description box. And good luck to everyone. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate that so much. And I'll see you later. Bye.